doesn't love gnomes? They are all the rage right now. And today I have 30 free crochet gnome patterns to share with you. Let's dive in. All of the patterns that I'm showing you today can be found on Ravelry.com. And the first one I have to show you is called the Gnome Towel Topper. Now this is for free on her blog. This is designed by Tanya Bush. Isn't that so cute? What a great Christmas gift that would make. And then you can also dress it up for spring if you would like and make a little girl with braids. These would be great for a craft show as well. Quick and easy to make up. And if you would like this free pattern, you would scroll all the way down to the bottom and click this link right here. And it'll take you to nanascraftyhome.com where you can get your free gnome towel topper pattern. Super cute. And this is using Hobby Lobby. I love this cotton, Aran weight, and a 5mm hook. Next, we have the Gnome Crochet Blanket by Michelle Wilcox. This is using Aran weight yarn, and it measures around 34 inches by 38 inches. Look at that. That is just as cute as it could be. There's even a little gnome doll to go along with it. And look at their little beards. That is absolutely precious. And you can get this for free if you scroll all the way down to the very bottom and click this link right here and go to marleybird.com and you can get your free pattern. Then we have Gunhild the Gnome Girl. This is by Stella Taubenheim. Oh, she is just precious. Look how tiny she is. Look at her. Oh, that is just so cute. I love her little hat and her braids. And then here's a whole set. You can really dress them up to make them however you like. And this is using a DK weight cotton and a 2.5mm hook. And you only need 30 to 40 yards. And you can get it for free if you click the link at the very bottom and it will take you straight to her free pattern. This little guy right here, I wanted to show you the pattern for him, but unfortunately it was taken offline, so I'm not able to do so. But I do have another pattern to make up for it, so we still have 30. Don't worry. Now we have these cute little Hello Gnome mittens. These are so unique. I love this. Now here is the back, and look at the front. Little gnomes. Look at that. That is so unique. What a cool idea. What a great design that is. And these are designed by Tamara Kelly. And I did do a designer spotlight on Tamara Kelly. I believe it was last week. Go ahead and look in my past live streams, and you should be able to find it. And this is using bulky weight and a 6.5mm hook. You only need 110 to 225 yards. And they go from a size child's up to an adult large, which is really nice. And if you look at the pattern, there's this little symbol that says free. And it says to go info and notes. Click the link at the very bottom, and it takes you straight to these cute little gnome mitten pattern right here on mooglyblog.com. Now here's a little gnome Christmas ornament by Emmy Harrington. And these are using a 6mm hook and Red Heart Super Saver Aran weight yarn. These look really quick and easy to make up. Very cute. And you can get this for free if you just click right here. It will take you to the video tutorial. And then now here's a little gnome ring holder by Emily Ann. This is a free Ravelry download, so you can just click it and the PDF will go straight to your computer and you can print it out or do whatever you wish. And this is using Aran weight big twist value solids and a 3.5mm hook. That is just perfect for a ring holder. I never thought about making a crochet ring holder. Now here's a nice little chunky gnome plushie. This is using super bulky weight and a 6mm hook. He just looks so squishy and soft. Look at him. Perfect for any kid to love or adult. And scroll down to the very bottom, and then that is a Premier Yarns website free pattern that you can get right here on their website, premieryarns.com. And then we have a reindeer gnome. What a unique idea this is by Lindsay Dale. I've also done a designer spotlight on her. She has some really great patterns. This is using a 3.5mm hook and Red Heart Super Saver Aran weight yarn. Little reindeer gnome. So cute with his little red nose, just like Rudolph. So if you click this link, it should take you straight to the free pattern, but it takes you to a New Year's gnome. So there's a New Year's gnome for you, but let's see if they have the reindeer gnome. Let me type it in and see if it comes up. There you go. Here's our reindeer gnome. It's on windingroadcrochet.com. And if you can't find it, just go to the little search bar and type in reindeer gnome and you should be able to find it. And then look, you got an extra little pattern here for a New Year's gnome. How cute is that? And then we have a Christmas gnome C2C pillow. This looks so soft. And this is using a 6mm hook and Aran weight yarn. Very cute. I've never tried the Pipsqueak yarn, but it looks like it would be so soft and squishy. And this is a free pattern, and you could just scroll down to nanascraftyhome.com, and there is your free pattern for this cute little gnome pillow. We also have a Hanukkah gnome by Lindsay Dale, and this is using a 3.5mm hook and Aran weight yarn. Look at him with his little dreidel and his menorah. Very pretty. Super cute. And you only need 150 to 200 yards and a 3.5mm hook. Aran weight yarn. It says it's available for free. Info and notes. Scroll down to the very bottom and click the link, and there is your free pattern for your cute little Hanukkah gnome. And then here is the Christmas Grinch gnome. Oh, this is unique. And this is using Aran weight and a 2.5mm hook. You need 100 to 120 yards. That's so cute. I love his little hat. It looks like the Grinch. So cute. Perfect for the holidays. Really nice. Great idea. And this is by Tidzhen is the first name. Last name is Gyuldzhu. I don't want to butcher that name, so I'm not going to try and pronounce it, but it says free pattern is on the blog. Click here. So if you click there, you will get your free pattern for your little Grinch gnome. Now we have an angel gnome here. Look at him, by the same designer. I should say, look at her with her long hair. Precious. Look at those little hands. And then there's wings on the back that she's pinned. Little halo on top. And this pattern is using Aran weight and a 2.5mm hook. You need 130 to 150 yards. And you can get it for free if you click the link down below. And that is to passionatecrafter.com. And here is your free pattern. And then we have a Kwanza gnome. I've got all the gnomes today. This is designed by Lindsay Dale. Aran weight and a 3.5mm hook, 200 to 250 yards. Isn't that precious? Look at his little hat. Perfect. And you can get this for free on her blog if you scroll all the way down to the bottom and click the link to Winding Road Crochet. And there is your free pattern for your Kwanza gnome. And then we have Santa the gnome. Oh, he's so tiny and cute. This is by Erin Shirley using Aran weight and a 6, a 5, and a 4.25mm hook. Look at him. Oh, I love this one with this little bag in the back. Little bag of toys. That couldn't be any cuter. So cute, by Erin Shirley. And then if you scroll down to the very bottom and click the link, it takes you straight to auburnelephant.com. And that is her blog. And then here is your free pattern. Now this is called Nice Christmas Gnome by Griba DK. And this is using 4mm hook and DK weight yarn. This is in UK terms, but it's all pretty much single crochet, so it shouldn't be too bad. Very cute. I love how the hat's covering up his eyes, and look at his mouth. It's adorable. And you can get this for free if you click the link right here at the very bottom, and we'll take you straight to the free pattern right here. And then as you can see here, there are a lot of other free patterns on her website. Look at that. What a great website. Now this is called Crochet Gnome Boy by V. And this is a free Ravelry download, so you can just download it directly here from Ravelry. He's so cute. Look at that. I'd love to make a bunch of little gnome dolls and have them sitting around. They're as cute as could be. And then I thought this was so cool. This is Butters, the End Underpants Gnome by Olka, Novytska. This is a free Ravelry download. This is from South Park. Look at that. South Park is so funny. It's a little risque, but I love that show. It's so funny. And look at how tiny the little gnome is. Oh my goodness, it's tiny. And you're using a 0.75, a 1.25, and a 2mm hook. Fingering weight yarn. So you're making these really tiny, but you can always use a bigger yarn and a bigger hook and make them, you know, a larger stuffed animal. And this is a free Ravelry download. Perfect. And this is Cross the Gnome by Shayna Scott. This is also a free Ravelry download using Aran weight yarn and a 3.5mm hook. Yes, and 525 yards. Look at her. And then here's the couple with his little beard. Shayna Scott is the designer. And if you scroll all the way down, oh, no, it's a free Ravelry download. So just click right here and it will download straight to your computer. And then we have Norman Gnome Doll by C.L. Halverson. Free Ravelry download. Worsted weight yarn and a 4mm hook. Look at how cute. He's just as cute as could be. Love that. Free Ravelry download. And then here's some Christmas gnome earrings by Maria Teresa Trujillo. And this is a free Ravelry download as well. Little gnome earrings that you could wear or give as gifts. These would be great for a craft show as well. Quick and easy to make up. What a unique idea. Love that. A 2.5mm hook. You need 10 to 15 yards, and they're using DK weight yarn. And then look at this itty bitty Christmas gnome by Meg Sheridan. This is a free Ravelry download as well. So tiny. So cute. And then this is a bottle gnome by Zaya Designs using a 2 and a 3mm hook and sport weight yarn. This is a free Ravelry download. What a great little gift to add to a top of a bottle of wine for a hostess gift or something. Really cute. And then we have Christmas Gnome by Lisbeth Brom. This is using any gauge of yarn, so you can make them whatever size you like. They're like little shelf sitters with their long legs. Precious. Oh, I like those colors. And this is a free Ravelry download as well. Here is a box of gnomes, and this is by Malgoratza Machowska. I hope I didn't butcher that too much. And here's a little box of cute gnomes. Oh, look at that. Those are so fun. These would be great for like kids' classrooms, like Christmas parties and stuff like that. You could hand them out. The kids would really love that. Great little stocking stuffer as well. Fingering weight and a 3mm hook. You need 27 to 55 yards. That's not too bad. And then we've got Gilby the Christmas Gonk. This is a free Ravelry download. That's precious. And a little cat. Look at him. These are fun. I love the striped hat. These are really nice. So cute. DK weight, 2.5mm hook. And it's a free Ravelry download, so you can just download it directly to your computer and print it out if you like. Now, this is a Blomio tissue box cover by Michael Selleck. Look at this. They've got a Santa. There's a reindeer. What a great idea. Elves. And this is for the Santa one. So cute. Look at that. And it comes out right there underneath his nose. Really, really cute. And then you can get this for free if you click on right here at the very bottom to the crochetcrowd.com. You can get your free pattern. And there's video tutorials as well. Look at this little guy. Its K is Vur Kabuter. I don't know how to pronounce it correctly, but this is really cute. And it's a free Ravelry download. This is designed by Inga Moorman, M-O-E-R-M-A-N. Look at how tiny he is with his little beard. His smile is so cute. Look at that. Absolutely precious. Oh, here he is looking like Santa. These are just adorable. And this is a free Ravelry download. Now here's a little fall mushroom gnome by Lindsay Dale. And this is using Aran weight yarn, a 3.5mm hook, and you'll need 100 to 150 yards for this little fella. Look at how cute that is. I love the little red mushrooms with the little white dots. Now you can get this for free if you scroll all the way down to the bottom and click the link, and it'll take you to windingroadcrochet.com, and there's your free pattern. And then we have the Christmas Tree Gnome by Lindsay Dale. This is using Red Heart Super Saver and a 3.5mm hook. You need 100 to 150 yards, but he is just perfect for Christmas. What a great gift that would be. I bet you he would sell great at craft shows as well. Really, really cute. And you can get this for free if you scroll all the way down to the bottom and click the link. And there's your free pattern. I hope that you enjoyed these free crochet patterns that I shared with you today. If you'd like to see more, make sure you click the link right here. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Have a great day.